Everybody, obviously another chilly day where you go, should I wear the jacket or not? And it was a definitely yes, you got to wear the jacket. Right now, we're still around 60 degrees, 58 degrees up to the north, 62 down in Port O'Connor, and of course in Lavaca there at 62. Now, the temperatures will be responding to the change in the wind. Remember Friday night, about 2 in the morning, that major cold front blew through, made it rather chilly for Friday. Today, the winds are now coming up out of the southeast, and they're getting a little strong, and that's why we think we're going to warm up pretty rapidly. In fact, tomorrow we'll be in the 70s, so just light jacket tomorrow, and then we'll watch and wait to see if anything else evolves. As long as that south wind keeps blowing, we're going to warm up into the 80s. Now, this is Future Tracker, and we go out about 4 days to see what kind of precipitation may fall. And you don't see a lot of activity here. We may get a little sprinkled stuff, and that's in the early morning, pardon me, early morning time period. Otherwise, we have no significant stuff headed in our direction until at least Wednesday. Now, out on the West Coast, and I don't know what's going on the West Coast, but they've had 11 different versions of what we would consider a hurricane. A powerful low, bringing in rain, wind, and snow, and now they're going to go for 13. So there's 2 more offshore that are come in and slam the floor. Now, I don't know if you've heard, total snow accumulation, 50 feet of snow. That's total. Of course, some of it's melted, but that's what they got on top of everything. So as far as we're concerned, we're going to get a strong south wind because of this low, which is coming out of the Rockies. It's going to go into the plains. And you notice a little bit higher to the north. So we're going to have that strong southerly flow blowing into all of Texas. So it'll warm up even as far north as the Dallas area until this little front comes through. But because it's going to be the tail end of it, it should pass through our area and give us a north wind, but it probably won't have much strength or enough cold air behind it. So ahead of it, strong southerly winds keeps us in the cloudy side, and then we'll wait to see what that does for us, but it doesn't look like it's going to be much of anything. When you see these little green blotches here and there, that's basically light morning drizzle, afternoon sun for the afternoons, and by the time we get to Wednesday, you'll see a lot more sunshine during the afternoon hours, and you are going to see temperatures warm. Maybe not brilliant sunshine, but it will be warming up. For mariners, it's still a little rough out there. Now, the winds today, we're up into the 25-knot range. Tomorrow, it may be a little bit stronger as that south wind kicks in, so a little on the choppy side. You have to watch and wait for that. So evening temperature, which is about now, is about 59 degrees. Overnight, about 54, as cold as we'll get. And tomorrow, we're looking for a high of about 72. Not bad at all. Of course, the winds will make a big difference. Now, by Wednesday, we're looking for 80 degrees for a couple of days. Still on the mostly cloudy side, and a few little light showers early in the morning. Next event would be on Friday morning when another front, that front I showed you, will come through with a slight chance of a rain shower or two, but you can see the temperatures aren't going to change much after that. It should be staying in the upper 70s. That's your 7-day forecast. Don't forget, we've got a quick response here. Scan that square there, and that'll put Crossroads Today on your phone, and you can get your news, weather, and sports wherever you want to go. Don, we'll toss it back to you.